Hello viewers, my name is Poppy Choudhury. I am a student of Lagudia Community College and going to get my associate degree in June 2020. As a student, I use several policies to reduce the cost of my studies, especially textbooks, which has helped me to save money. We know that textbooks are expensive and its cost is going higher. So we should find out alternative ways. That's why today I want to share my ideas on how we can get low priced or free textbooks. I think if we follow these, we can save our money and can make our student life pleasant. According to an article in Forbes Online, August 22nd, 2019, since 1978, college textbooks have risen 812%, more than twice as fast as the price of a new home. It means if we bought a book in 1978 for $25, now its cost is $203. This is a lot of money for a single book which we can use only for one semester. And can you imagine how much we have to spend each semester if we have to buy 5 or more books? So we must find sources for free or cheaper textbooks. Oh, I still remember when you could get something that is free in the world. But it was a long time ago. This is a poem of Jerry Abrahamson. But I do not agree with him. We can still get some things for free. This is my public speaking class book. And I got it free. After starting my class, when I went to my college library for borrowing the book, it was too late. And I didn't get any copy. Then I contacted other libraries, but I didn't get the book. After that, I posted a status on my Facebook page for a used book. I got response from several students who had previously taken public speaking class and were interested in giving me the book for free. That's how I got this book completely free of charge. Borrowing books for off-campus library can help us avoid buying books. Campus library is an important place for borrow our textbooks, but they keep a limited number of textbooks for each subject. So as soon as we get our syllabus, we should start searching for our books there, because I am not the only one looking to borrow these. If the books stock is finished, then we can try in the Queen's Library or public library. I myself have collected textbooks from this library many times. We can buy textbooks from outside bookstores at a much lower price. If we are a sub-student, we will receive a book voucher to purchase our textbooks, and we must buy books from the college campus bookstore. But if we are not a sub-students, we should avoid on-campus bookstore because book prices college store are higher than outside stores. We can buy used textbooks from other students which they were using for their previous same class. And we can also buy used books from AB Books, Amazon, eBay, Textbook Center or any social media site such as Facebook and student groups. If our luck favor, we can get it for free. We can rent our textbooks from Amazon.com, Chegg.com and campusbooks.com for a monthly basis or one semester at a time. The benefit of renting a book is that we can get it in lower cost than directly when it is a matter of only few months. We can also buy an electronic version of our textbooks at a lower cost than a traditional textbook. Colorado Financial Advisor Justin Pichard says, a book you can rent on Amazon.com for around $25 can maybe purchased electronically for as little as $14. So we can rent books rather than buy. Book exchange can be a great way to get free textbooks. At the end of each semester, a book exchange event is organized by the college. We can collect our books for free from there and we can donate our unnecessary books. In addition, if we need financial assistance for buying books, we can get it from the college student support center. However, there are some bad aspects of borrowing books, old books, or collecting books for free. Some chapters could be missing in the old book, then older book might be harmful for them who have allergies because these books may contain mites. Moreover, if everyone turns to old books or free books, the need or number of new books will be reduced, which will damage the textbook publishing industry. But finally, we know that college textbooks are used for only one semester. It doesn't make sense to spend extra money for just one session. So we should be smart and think creatively about alternative ways before spending extra money for our textbook. Thank you very much for watching my video.